Who said vegetarian chicken burger couldn't taste good? Those chicken burgers are amazing. They're better than most store-bought chicken burgers. They're easy to make. And they go in the air fryer. That's the best part. So what are you waiting for? Go make them. Now, let's go. Look at this beauty. I added some guacamole, tomato, lettuce, chipotle mayo, some nice buns. They were crispy. It was amazing. So what you'll need to make those chicken burgers, well, there's tofu chicken burgers, is some panko, some nutritional yeast, tofu, chives, powdered mustard or grain mustard that you crush, dehydrated onions, vegetable broth, garlic, ginger, 6 eggs, and I also added chili powder, cayenne pepper, and oregano, which we won't see because I made some correction to the recipe after. Salt, pepper, MSG, and paprika. So what you want to do is, it's pretty simple. You want to put all of these ingredients into the food processor. So you start with 2 blocks of tofu, a few cloves of garlic, like a little bit of ginger, salt, pepper to taste, MSG. I started by grinding the tofu in the food processor and I didn't have any more space because it was 2 blocks. So I just transferred everything into a big bowl and started mixing everything in there, and it worked well. But you can put everything into the food processor if yours is big enough. I added 2.5 cup of panko breadcrumbs, approximately 2/3 of a cup of dehydrated onion and chives mixed. I didn't measure, I just heated in 1 tablespoon of powdered mustard, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 6 medium eggs. So if you use extra large eggs, I would say start with 3 and try and see if it holds together, if it doesn't have more. I added some vegetable broth to make sure that everything would incorporate correctly. And I tested if the patty were holding, and that's when I added the additional egg. And then it's time to form the patty and start cooking. So once all of the ingredients are well combined, what you want to do is you want to make the patties. You want to put them into some cornstarch and make sure that you coat every side of the patty well. And then you want to put it into a hot pan that has been drizzled with some oil. And my pan is not the best because the oil keeps getting on the side. I need to buy a new one. You can go on my coffee and make a small donation if you want to contribute to this. I think I'll make a kitchen upgrade goal soon. Anyway, you want to cook the patties about 5 minutes total in the pan. Make sure to flip them and that the cornstarch is well incorporated into the patty and it is well cooked. Once you have started to see some golden color appear on the patty, you want to transfer them into the air fryer. Yes, I know this one broke. It's fine. It's fine. It made a chicken nugget. Hey, honestly, you can make chicken nugget with this recipe for real. Then you want to put them into the air fryer. After 5 minutes, you want to flip them. And you want to cook them at 200 Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how much you put into the air fryer. I've put 3 at a time because mine is kind of large. And after 15 minutes, they're ready. They're ready to put into your burgers. You can freeze them. You can even make, like I said earlier, nuggets instead of big patties and have chicken nuggets. A few nuggets, and then it's ready for burger time. So I use this kind of burger bun, brioche with sesame seeds. It was really good. I did a nice guacamole, a simple with salt, pepper, and some lemon juice, and I don't do the knife trick because I've cut myself too much with it. Then I sliced up some tomato. I had some fresh lettuce from my garden. Added some garlic sauce, and at the bottom I added some of my Chipotle sauce, which you guys can do if you go see my potato wedges recipe. Added some garlic sauce and regular mayo because this garlic sauce is powerful. And this is what it looked like. Look at this beauty. It was crispy and tender in the middle, and it was full of flavor. That's today's recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Until then, you can go on my website. You can go see my merch. I'm working on some new merch slowly. I made some changes on my website, so go take a look. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week for another video. Love you guys. Bye bye.